Taking care of your family is hard work, especially when schedules change. Join the 29 million people who have
All clear for West Hollywood and Toluca Lake areas, alert for North Hollywood, Valley Village, and Burbank areas. A massive swarm cloud of bees have left the West Hollywood and Toluca Lake areas and have now shifted direction, heading towards the North Hollywood, Valley Village, and Burbank areas. Shelter in place immediately and seal off all entrances to your home or business. To shelter in place, you must go inside as quickly as possible. Bring any pets indoors. Lock all doors and windows. Turn off the air conditioners, furnaces, all fans, close the fireplace damper and any other place air can come inside. Listen for current emergency information from emergency management officials.
This story is mad good.
Thanks, boo. A civil authority has issued civil emergency message for the following counties or areas. Los Angeles, California, at 10:18 p.m. on August 19, 2024, effective until 11:18 p.m. The bee swarm cloud has possibly dissipated somewhere in the Burbank area. We urge all residents in the previously affected area to not travel tonight. Radar sighting has been lost. Do not travel at this time.
Look out, 'cause here I come. Have you always had trouble with your weight?
The civil authorities have issued a local area emergency for Los Angeles, CA, beginning at 10:07 a.m. and ending at 11:07 a.m. Los Angeles Fire Department has responded to a bee swarm outbreak in North Hollywood. We are asking all residents to shelter in place until LAFD and beekeepers contains the bees.
A civil authority has issued an administrative message for the following counties or areas. Los Angeles, California, at 10:25 a.m. on August 20, 2024, effective until 11:25 a.m. LAFD and local beekeepers have contained the entire bee swarm. It is now safe to resume normal operations. Thank you for your cooperation during this emergency.